Have you ever walked into a store and felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices? You're not alone. In today's world, where brands are vying for your attention at every turn, understanding how a brand positions itself in the market is crucial, not just for marketers, but for consumers too. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of brand positioning and why it matters. At its core, brand positioning is all about perception. It's the process of defining how a brand is seen in the minds of customers relative to its competitors. Think of it as the brand's unique fingerprint. It sets a brand apart, ensuring it resonates with its target audience. When done right, positioning provides a strategic foundation for marketing, guiding how a brand communicates its value. Let's talk differentiation at first. This is where a brand highlights what makes it unique compared to others. Take Tesla, for example. They've positioned themselves as a premium, eco-friendly vehicle brand that focuses on innovation. When you think of electric cars, you might picture a Tesla because they've carved out a niche that speaks to consumers who value sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Customer connection. Positioning isn't just about being different. It's about aligning with the specific needs, preferences, and values of your audience. Patagonia does this beautifully. They've positioned themselves as a sustainable, outdoor clothing brand for eco-conscious consumers. Their messaging resonates with those who care about the environment, creating a loyal customer base that feels a connection to the brand's mission. But positioning isn't just a nice-to-have. It's essential for informed marketing decisions. A well-defined position guides everything from advertising to product development and pricing strategies. Imagine a luxury brand. They might use premium pricing and upscale visuals to maintain that exclusive appeal. It's all about creating a perception that matches their high-end offerings. And let's not forget about loyalty. A well-positioned brand fosters strong emotional connections, encouraging repeat business. When customers feel aligned with a brand's values, they're more likely to stick around. It's that emotional tie that keeps them coming back for more. Now, how do brands figure out where they stand in the market? That's where positioning maps and competitive analysis come into play. Positioning maps are visual representations of how a brand compares to its competitors based on key attributes. It's like creating a visual snapshot of the market landscape. To create a positioning map, you start by identifying key attributes that matter to your audience. These could be price, quality, innovation, or sustainability. Once you've selected your dimensions, you plot competitors on the map based on their perceived strengths and weaknesses. Then, you position your brand to see where it fits and identify any gaps or opportunities. For instance, if you were to create a map with price on the x-axis and quality on the y-axis, a premium brand would sit in the high-quality, high-price quadrant. Now, let's talk about competitive analysis. This is a detailed examination of competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and positioning. You start by identifying both direct and indirect competitors. Then, you analyze their strengths and weaknesses, looking at pricing, product features, customer reviews, and marketing strategies. Understanding how customers perceive your competitors can help you find opportunities for differentiation. For example, if you discover that competitors focus heavily on quality but neglect affordability, there's your chance to position your brand as both affordable and high quality. It's all about finding those gaps in the market where you can shine. Once you've nailed down your positioning, it's time to craft your messaging. This is how a brand communicates its unique position and value to customers. The first step: highlight your unique value proposition, or UVP. This is where you clearly state what makes your brand stand out. Think about it. We deliver the fastest and most reliable food delivery service in your city. That's a strong UVP that tells potential customers exactly what they can expect. Next, you want to speak directly to your target audience. Use language, tone, and themes that resonate with their preferences and values. If your brand is targeting millennials, for instance, you might want to adopt a casual, relatable tone. It's also vital to focus on benefits, not just features. Customers want to know how your product will improve their lives. Instead of listing specifications, you could say, "Save hours of work with our easy-to-use project management tool." That's a benefit that speaks directly to the customer's needs. Creating emotional appeal is another key element. Incorporating emotional elements can deepen connections. For example, a baby care brand might emphasize love, safety, and trust. These are feelings that resonate with parents, making them more likely to choose your brand over others. Consistency across channels is crucial as well. Your messaging should align with your brand's tone and positioning everywhere. Social media, ads, packaging, you name it. And don't forget to test and refine your messaging. Use A/B testing to evaluate what resonates best with your audience and make adjustments as needed. So what's the takeaway here? Brand positioning defines how a brand is perceived compared to competitors, focusing on differentiation and connection. Positioning maps help visually assess market opportunities, while competitive analysis identifies gaps to exploit. And effective messaging emphasizes unique value, customer benefits, emotional appeal, and consistency to reinforce the brand's position. In a world full of choices, understanding brand positioning is key for both marketers and consumers. It's about finding that perfect fit, that connection that makes a brand not just a name, but a part of our lives. So next time you're faced with a multitude of options, remember, behind every brand is a carefully crafted story of how they position themselves in the market.